We're now home, happy and tired. Oh, wait, wait, wait. I love you. I love you. I love you. Our dog must be a minor in human life. He digs in our couch. I don't know, but for some reason he enjoys doing it. Regardless if our couch is new or old, covered or not. It's a bit of a worry. If he starts digging, now he's sleeping like a baby. This couch will become our outdoor couch. We still have to find a replacement couch. First up, Harvey Norman Cairns. I love this couch. This is our first choice, but it's a leather couch. We will just sit on it for now. It's really comfortable. This couch can also be a bed. Look at it. Look at the design.
3-seater.
It's called the Tristan.
And
I love the color,
bed.
but
If we have
it's a
guests.
leather couch.
See.
I prefer a fabric couch. Let's go to Duffy's Atherton.
I think I like this one because you'll get the 3-seater, which you have 2 recliners.
And you will also have 2 recliners.
So it's on special for now for 2,519.
Let's take a break
Ours is
and eat lunch at the Tolga pub.
What is that one?
Everyone's private except me, so find your food. I didn't include your face.
Someone
You
else
want to
will
top
put
up?
it.
Beautiful toilet, newly renovated. Let's check out the chandelier. Isn't that a beauty? And take note, this is a toilet with a chandelier. Did I pronounce it correctly? Let's just change the music. I might be copyrighted. Let's go to Duffy's Furniture, Mareeba.
Yeah, that,
What's this, Lennox?
all that. So what they say? 2.
Oh, 3,499. So 3,500. I like this one, Lennox. We are thinking of buying the Lennox. This one is 2,399. So you have the 2-seater and you have 2 recliners. So if you're looking at couches, but we're buying the 3-seater and another recliner. If you're still watching, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. From this to this. Shout out to our friend who made a customized cover for our couch. Now it looks outdoorsy in our decking area. Snapshots of the day. Enjoy! Finally, the search is over. Shout out to Duffy's Mareeba Furniture for our complimentary delivery day. Are you crowned? Are you crowned? Hi? Cover it, hey? The couch I am. This is the reason why we need to cover our couch. Oh, this dog. With his hair. I want to keep it clean all the time. Unfortunately, we have to cover our couch. Whether we like it or not. I can't really allow our dog to damage this couch. So I put this because this is a recliner, so I made a way to cover this area. So push, and it's still covered. That one too is covered, and this one too, this recliner section is covered. Let me show you. Bang. I love the colors, so I'll keep it covered. Well, this is my favorite color. You know, comment down below, you know, if you're local in my area, if you know any shop selling a couch cover. I don't want to buy online. I want it to be local. If you know anyone, just comment down below.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.